Winged and made to fly, in the fantasy of a fly, is bigger than an elephant. And this painting is a painting that is trying to bring out the naked beauty of women, and it shows them in different postures and so on. And in a way it's an ode, and that's why it's very colorful. And it is meant to make women to be proud of who they are, of their race, and of where they are coming from. There is a sun in the painting. There is blood, which is life, and which probably symbolizes their cycles that they go through. And it is a painting that shows that despite them being considered weak, they are a very powerful and imposing creature in the fabric of nature. It is a painting of respect of the nature, the basic nature of women. That is why the women are not clothed in the painting. I hope you enjoyed it. Winged and made to fly, in the fantasy of a fly, is bigger than an elephant.